Alright guys, so y'all know we have the Jeep Gladiator out now, right? Jeep, it's a Jeep that's built like a truck. Well, anyway, look what this customer decided to do to their Gladiator. Wow. Kind of roomy in here. Hey, why they do this? What the hell size is this? Guys, I don't even see the size. This is huge. To each his own. Four-wheel drive. Why they do this? Yeah. They didn't have to lift it up? Oh, so he didn't need a lift kit. He put running boards on it. Well, I guess this come down. Let me see. Ah, yeah, y'all see that? Hey, pretty neat. Well, I guess if you go up high, you will need to do it again. Look at that. You put these running boards on? Well, they factory. That's the only time I see these in here, they getting stuff added. Never being worked on, guys. So talk about reliability. Wow. Just like the Pacifica, the new minivan. Reliability at its best. No ticking noise, no nothing. I want to think this got a Pentastar in it. What y'all think? Y'all want to see? I don't know. It looks like he's done and getting ready to go. I'm so tempted to just flip these and take a peek. Hey, what's this? A 3.6? I think I got time, guys. Y'all gonna get me in trouble. I gotta do this real quick while he under the dash. Come on, baby. And yep, 3.6 Pentastar Gen 3. Where's the EGR cooler? Yep. The new models, guys. So they shouldn't have any. I think they shouldn't have any problems out of the. Not. Let me change that. They shouldn't have any of the same problems. Yes, sir. Even if it's not a Gen 3, it has all the updates, guys. So, they done got fancy on the hood. Oh man. Well, that's it, guys. Enough drooling over this Rubicon Jeep Gladiator. Today is nice, guys. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll be back.
Oil pressure out of range.
Oh, the oil pressure sensor on the back of the block?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did one of those.
And it could be, and then it's not getting oil to the VVT. That's why it rattles.
This not factory. Is this the right stuff? They put the right engine in it?
I don't know.
The hell is this?
It's a dart. The 2 liter.
Oh, it's a dart. Okay, I thought it was like that 200 over there.
It's a dart with it. So it's got that and it's got a cam code in there.
That's a new tank? Oh, that's the engine. That's part of the engine where they wrote
That's
on.
the engine, yeah.
And a cam code? You might have to reconfigure everything. Relearn everything and see what happens.
Yeah. see what happens.
How have people try to put an engine in these things?
They went to another dealer and they tried to sell them a cam sensor and an oil pressure switch. They declined it.
So what do they want us to do? Right, you might get the same kind of estimate because it's based off the fault code.
Yeah. I was gonna check my wiring, make sure my wiring's good. Compared to PCM, my wiring's good. And it tells you to jump the circuit over there, oil pressure sensor. And if you get a certain type of code, then it means the sensor's bad or whatever.
This is crazy.
It's custom, man, custom.
Is that a Phillip head? Yeah.
Yep.
Screw it down and make it tighter. Oh, that's pitiful. Don't do that, guys. People don't do that. You got dark issues. What is going down here in my neck of the wood? Oh, we don't want to talk about my neck of the wood, guys. Oh my God. This is the transmission I'm getting ready to do. I'm just hesitating to even start, guys. Turned out it was all-wheel drive, so it's not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. So, but I still got to get it done. Now, I'm gonna tell you what I ran into over here, guys. I'm doing brakes, right? Of course, you know, it has the emergency brake. You got the release through either the instrument or your pod or your scan tool. Well, anyway, guys, I don't have this tool. I broke out with my this is the only, I know the tool to drive the piston in. Well, this is a 3-holer. Okay, so I don't have none of my fittings have the trifecta on it. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm sure they make it, it's just none of mine do. So what do you do when this happens? Simple, guys. You improvise. I had to hold off on the brakes till I figure out how to get the damn piston in. What I ended up using was where's my loan? Let me show y'all what I ended up using, because somebody may run into this. Now I highly suggest you get the tool. Don't get me wrong, guys. That's not what I'm advocating here. I'm just gonna show you what I had to do in order to drive this freaking piston in. First I lubed up the piston so the boot will turn. I just had to get some long pliers and so I may name this video something like this: what to do, how to turn in calipers if you don't have the proper tool. I thought I had the proper tool. Look at all of these freaking things, and none of them are trifectas. Matter of fact, this ain't even mine. I had to go borrow this. The one I had, I thought out of all these fittings I would find one that would fit that, but wrong. This is mine. That's my neighbor's down on the end. So yes, guys, I ended up, like I say, one of these numbers and just slowly turn. The goal is to get it in. You got to get it in. Okay, so that's the only way it's gonna hover over your new thick brake pads. All right, enough, guys. Nosy 30, but let me make me a thumbnail right quick. You know what I'm saying? Get me an arrow point. I'm not gonna, fool around with Scotty Kilmore and his thumbnails. Nah, I'm still joking, but I'm joking. All right, guys, I gotta go. I'm just making a thumbnail right now, so don't pay me no mind, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. That's a good thumbnail right here. And I'll see y'all on the next video.